What we have on Saturday, June 16th, is exactly what this belt says. A champion will be walking in to Harley-Davidson and doing what he does best. I will walk in with this title and I will walk out. But from what I understand is they've booked me in a match tonight against a tag team. Both people I have beat. You are looking at the only multi-time. What are you doing?
I protected you tonight. I'm not putting the title up.
Good.
I showed up for our tea time today, and you were golfing with the judge. You left me hanging. I thought we were better than that.
Hey, it's business.
It is business. So tonight, in your match, your opponent...
You, right? We're boys.
Hey, I want to give you a man.
It better be a man.
I want to give you someone that can handle this.
He better be able to handle this.
Mr. RV3.
Cut.